Today I'm going to be installing 10-foot signposts. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how I do that. Welcome back, it's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCealing.com. On this channel, we do general contracting, driveway sealing, rubberizing, paving and repairs, and much, much more. So if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. So for this client, they've been using these signs that are already pre-mounted on concrete blocks, but it's not really working. With this area, it's very windy, and the signs have been known to blown over and hit cars, causing the paint to scratch and damage, so they don't want to do that. So we're going to be installing the 10-foot posts in the ground, buried 2 feet, so the wind's not going to knock that over at all. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to measure the center point where I'm going to core drill through the asphalt, and I'm going to install the sign. So I'm just going to make a mark, and I'm centering it. We've got our mark already made. The next thing to do is to core drill through the asphalt. First, we're just gonna need to warm up the generator, because where we're working, we actually have no power. So that's where this is gonna come into play. So I'm just gonna turn it on and get it primed up and ready, warmed up before we're ready to begin. Got our choke on. So to prime it on these things, you're just supposed to give it a couple slow pulls just to get things moving before you actually pull. Let that warm up a bit. These generators are really good. They're lots of power and they're pretty relatively quiet. Right now I got the Bosch drill, so I'm just going to drill a hole right there where my mark is, remove the asphalt so that I can hammer in the posts, and I'm going to fill a little bit of concrete to secure that hole. This is the bottom end of the sign. I want to sink 2 feet of that into the ground. So I'm just gonna measure really quickly just to make sure that I am actually getting 2 feet sunk into the ground. Just put my finger there. I'm just using a little bit of chalk. I'm just gonna mark that so that when I'm hammering it in, I know that I get at least 24 inches into the ground. So right now I just took the post and I just dropped it center in the hole. I also got my level here. Now it's not, obviously it's not in the hole yet or into the ground, but I can periodically check to make sure that it's level, both sides. I gotta get up on the ladder and start smashing it with the sledgehammer to get it into the ground. So I'm just gonna sledgeham the top of the sign to get it down to our marks. So my mark is below the asphalt. It's at least 24 inches buried. Now we're gonna go ahead and mix up some rapid cement, some rapid post, and we're gonna fill that in. We have our ready mix. Just gonna take it and fill it into the hole. Just all the way around. Just pack it in good. Now that the post is installed, we're just gonna use the client's existing signs and mount that on the new posts. So I've got my hardware here, the washer, and my my bracket. Just gonna put that through and hand tighten it for now. The washer on the back and the nut. Same thing at the bottom. Washer and the nut. Now I just need to ratchet this tight and we're complete. So I'm ready to ratchet tight the sign, and this is 9/16, so I've got 2 of the ratchets, just makes it a lot quicker. One on the front, one on the back. That's done. The bottom. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's really easy. You guys can do it too. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Bash that bell to turn notifications on for all upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video. Share our video. And leave a comment below. Let me know if you've ever done this kind of work before. And we'll see you next time from DudeAllCeiling.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.